think we are all in here. So good morning. We haven't been together in a while. You guys came in so nicely today. So since it's been a while since we've had our awards, let's remember a few things. We're going to give out some awards to some boys and girls that have been trying really hard to do what the teacher asks you to do. But is everybody going to win an award today? No, it may not be your turn today. Some of you have already had a turn, and some of you will have a turn in the future because we've still got several months of school to go. But some of you are going to have a turn today. So before we can go any further, we've got to make sure. Can we be okay even if today's not our turn? Okay, good. You promise? Okay, and we'll be happy for our friends. Yes, we'll be happy for our friends. Okay, so we're going to start this morning with our Terrific Citizen Awards. And some of you have seen Miss Sonia before. Have you come in to read lately? Have you been in to read? It's been a while. She is part of our Kiwanis Club, our readers that come on Wednesdays. And they know how important it is to be terrific citizens and be helpful in your environment that you're in. So they sponsor us by bringing t-shirts, and we have certificates, and then also we will recognize a teacher and they will get a Sonic gift card. So all kinds of great things. So right now I want you to listen for your name. Remember, you have to hear your first name and your last name, because sometimes we have friends that have the same first name but a different last name. Okay, so listen really closely. Okay, our first terrific citizen. These boys and girls have been doing a great job being a good friend and doing what the teacher asked them to do, and they're helpful. Our first terrific citizen is Colt Litchfield. Haley Wilson. Avery Cantrell.
Good job. Good job.
Cooper Saunders. Job. Chloe Campbell. Kendall Griffin. Gosh, you guys are doing so good. You're such quiet while you're waiting. Our next terrific citizen is Willow Gooch. And then the last person we want to recognize is a staff member who is a terrific citizen, is very helpful with boys and girls, is Miss Tanya.
Miss Sonia, do you want to come over?
Yeah, everybody. Tanya and Sonia and the whole gang. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
All right, give them a big round of applause. Good job, guys. We're so proud of you. for your friends too. All right, we're ready. Listen, listen. The next group of awards we're going to give out, we have a special friend from the Community Bank of Harrisonville to give out math awards because they know how important math is. They count all the money at the bank and they know how important that skill is. So your teachers have been watching you here at school to see who does a good job when they have math time and who's helpful and who's paying attention and who participates in their centers. All right, so listen closely. You are going to get a certificate and a fancy bank with a gold dollar coin in them. I know, it's so fancy. Okay. All right, our first mathematician is Aubrey Myers. Christian Snow. Ava Holly. Kane Wells. Matthias Jones. Let's see, Owen Ragsdale is not here with us today, but we can go ahead and applaud for him. Give Owen a big hand. And then we have Sophia Cope. Great job to all of our math winners. Mrs. Filer's going to take a picture. All right, big round of applause and a big thank you to Community Bank of Harrisonville. Thank you. All right, next, we would like to give out our PE award. So Mrs. Malone's going to come over and give out PE award. She's been watching you in PE. See who's doing a good job.
All right, my friends, we've just started basketball in the last couple weeks. So we're going to continue that for a couple weeks as well. Our first award goes to Carson Quinlan. Isabella Bevan. Thomas Hyman. Landon Twinty. Mason Smith. Tinsley Glenn. And Reagan Carver.
Right here, right here. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, lean it down. There you go. Here we go. Smile. Good job, nice job.
Okay, friends, we have started working on songs for our music concert, and I've been watching to see who's doing a good job listening and learning our new songs. So first we have Emery Burgess. Gael Pineda. Okay, Camaro Holloman. Ryder Bright. Aurora Williams. Nora Bowman. And Logan Taylor. All right, good job, musicians. Okay, we also have some artists of the month. We have Brantley Reeves. Raiden Morgan. Valeria Robles. Van Bollinger. Adelie McClanahan. Quentin Coleman. And Remy Naylor. Boys and girls, I've got the Fantastic Friend Award. Your teachers watch you out on the playground and inside the classrooms in the school to find friends who are kind and helpful and friendly at school every day. These are fantastic friends for this month. Octavia Sevi. Caden Stearns. Addie True. Sterling Smith. Mia Whipple. Wyatt Flower. Hank Greathouse.
Tuesday of the month is called My 42 Day for Bright Futures. And our school, kindergarten and now preschool too, is encouraged to bring in coins for our coin drive, for our My 42 coin drive. In November, the winner of the coin drive was Miss Cecil's class, and we all celebrated with a popcorn party, which was really awesome. You all did a great job. And in January, the winner of the contest was Miss Ross's class. And they celebrated with some Oreos, a little Oreo snack in library yesterday. We use that money to buy things that kids need so they can be safe and happy at school, so they can learn. We have 2 more My 42 coin collection days in February and April. So save those coins and watch for that bag.
Thank you guys for doing such a great job today. Let's give ourselves one big round of applause to end our assembly. I am so proud of all of you. Even if you didn't win an award today, you showed good friendship for others that did win. So I am so proud of you for that. Right now, that concludes our assembly. I want you to stay seated until your teacher asks you to stand up and head back to class. All right, have a great day.